Our top story this lunchtime, South Korea has confirmed more than 1,200 new cases of COVID-19, taking the national caseload since the pandemic began to more than 200,000 now. Officials say this week will be key when it comes to determining what extra measures might need to be taken to try and contain the fourth wave that's showing little sign of slowing down despite what's being put in its way. Suk-hyen starts us off.
South Korea reported 1,219 new cases on Monday, down 223 from the previous day. It's a slight fall from yesterday, but this is because there were fewer tests taken over the weekend. Of Monday's cases, all but 69 were locally transmitted, bringing the country's total to over 200,000. The Greater Seoul area remains a virus hotspot, accounting for more than 65% of today's local cases. Despite nationwide containment efforts, daily new infections have been above 1,000 for almost a month now. Health officials say that if the current surge continues, they'll have no choice but to enact additional measures to control the spread of the highly contagious Delta variant. Currently, the Greater Seoul area is under the strongest level 4 social distancing rules, with most other places under level 3 until August 8th. This week's daily virus cases will determine whether or not the authorities will extend or raise the country's social distancing measures. Meanwhile, the government is working to speed up its vaccination drive to achieve herd immunity by November. From Monday until the end of this month, vaccination bookings will be available for those who missed their vaccine appointments, particularly for the elderly between the ages of 60 to 74. People above 75 can make reservations at any time. Also, registrations begins this week for 18 to 49 years old in priority groups. The 3-day registration will begin on Tuesday for those in the Greater Seoul area, Wednesday for the rest of the country, and Thursday for both Seoul and the other areas. About 2 million people will be eligible to receive their shots, including delivery drivers, street maintenance workers, and call center employees. Those who work at risk-prone facilities such as PC cafes and singing rooms will also be part of the priority shots. So far, about 38% of the population has received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, and around 7.1 million have been fully vaccinated. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.